Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add and remove DPI stages on Logitech G402. And to do this we'll need to open our device settings. Just click on the mouse inside the G HUB app and this should open a sensitivity DPI settings. And if this does not open them and you get this screen instead, that means you need to turn off onboard memory, because when we enable it, as you can see, it doesn't work, and when we disable it, we can adjust the DPI. Now, to add or remove DPI stages, there's a maximum of 5. Yep, there's a maximum of 5 different stages, and to remove them, simply drag them out of the slider like this, and to add the new one, simply click on the slider anywhere and this should add a new stage. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.